welcome back to another video. It's Alexander, and today we're on Roblox. This is supposed to be a short video for now. But a lot of people know this little secret that you can do with pretty much all websites. I'm just going to show you. So hover your mouse over the Robux sign. I'm just going to tell you how to make your friends think that you have a bunch of Robux. Hover over it. Hover over the number of Robux you have. Click it. Of course, this is not going to. You can't spend the Robux, sadly. It would be amazing if you could, but sadly that's not how it works. But anyways, let's just press inspect. Press that, and a little thing should pop up like this. This thing. It might look complicated, but actually, you can just do this. Press this. Just press this, and press edit as HTML. When you've done that, you see that number? That's how much Robux it shows. I'm just telling you, you will not get free Robux from this. This is just a way you can trick your friends into thinking that you do. Take away that, and then you can put that, and then when you're done, there, it should show that you have 1 million Robux. Of course, this does not work. You do not get free Robux. It's just a way to trick your friends into thinking that you have 1 million Robux. You can put any amount of Robux. I just would recommend you putting 1 million as 1M, because if you type the entire number, it doesn't really seem realistic. So just type in 1M. If you want to remove it, just press reload. Then it will reset to only how much Robux you have. In my case, 0 Robux. So there you go. Also, actually, you can actually like edit if you want to like literally delete the entire website. Well, not entirely, but you know, the front page, you just delete all of this. But if you want Robux, not Robux, but if you want to make it seem like you have Robux, just type in the amount of Robux you want. So there you go. That's how you trick your friends into thinking that you have 1 million Robux. If you like this video, remember to smash that like button and subscribe. But anyways, this is Alexander signing out. Bye.